Hey there, this is Shayna, and today I'm going to show you how to hide Classwork notifications on the Google Classroom stream. By default, assignments you post to the Classwork page will automatically show up on the Classroom stream as well. And after a while, this can clutter the stream and make it difficult for students to find their work. So to turn these notifications off, you'll go into your class and click the gear icon at the top to access the settings. Then scroll down to General and click the drop-down next to Classwork on the stream. Select Hide Notifications, and then click Save. When you return to the stream, you'll find that it's no longer cluttered with all those assignment notifications. But since the stream is the default view when students enter Google Classroom, just make sure to post an announcement directing students to the Classwork page. Overall, students will have a much easier time finding their work this way, and your Google Classroom in general is just a much more organized and efficient space. You can even organize your assignments further on the Classwork page by using the Topics feature, but that's another video for another day. As always, thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more Google tips and tricks.